The duty of the Supreme Court of Nigeria to take judicial notice of the record of proceedings of the House of Assembly on the date Amaewhule and 26 other defected. Na see headline. And now to the news info. Honorable J.I. Ekpenkio versus Honorable Matthew Egbadan, 1962 to 2001. Legislative Law Reports of Nigeria, LLRM, pages 307 to 336. The Supreme Court of Nigeria held that the court has a duty to take judicial notice of the record of proceedings of the House of Assembly, as stipulated under Section 73 of the Evidence Act. In accordance with the above-named judgment, it is reasonable to expect that the Supreme Court of Nigeria would consider the words and actions of Amaewhule and the 26 others on the floor of the Rivers State House of Assembly during the plenary sessions in 2023. According to the Hansard, which is a verbatim report of the proceedings of any legislature, the then Deputy Speaker Amaewhule was granted permission by Amaewhule to take the floor, and then, according to a letter signed by Amaewhule and read by Amaewhule, their defection was necessitated by the division in the PDP, particularly the tussle around who the National Secretary of the party is. The action was followed by the public waving of the flag of the All Progressive Congress. They did that too. By all the 27 Amaewhule members, you see. There are photographs and videos to buttress and substantiate this. Did you hear that? There are videos of them waving the APC flag after they defected, and yet they are denying. And one Supreme Court is now giving order that they can go back and do their job. Can you just imagine? Not yet done. At another forum, Amaewhule is quoted by the Vanguard newspaper as saying, on December 17, 2023, as follows. The functional Speaker of the Rivers State House of Assembly, Right Honorable Martins Chike Amaewhule, said the 27 lawmakers decided to defect from the People's Democratic Party (PDP) to the All Progressive Congress (APC) because of the crisis rocking the state chapter of the PDP. And yet everybody is saying that they did not defect. Amaewhule also said that they left their former party because President Bola Tinubu is doing very well with the appointment of Rivers indigents into various key positions in his government. Did you hear? The lawmaker stated that the four-man group led by Right Honorable Edison Heye cannot form a quorum, and whatever they are doing in the name of the assembly is null and void. Speaking during a dedication service and stakeholders meeting of the APC in Port Harcourt, Rivers State capital, on Sunday, Amaewhule said, "We begged Mr. President, the former president could not attend to the problems of the state. So we begged Mr. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu that we have a problem. Look at the East-West Road, the road leading to Ogoni. The president that is not in our party, unlike the previous president. The president gave us his word and said, go back home, irrespective of your party, and may detribalize Nigeria. And that's what the president told us." Okay, and because of that, you defected. Those were the reasons they gave. That is why they defected, and yet they are coming to say they did not defect. And a Supreme Court is giving them order to go back and continue to be the Speaker and continue to be members of the House of Assembly. Can you see what is going on in our country? It is well. We defected in line with to the provision of the 1999 Constitution, Section 109. We didn't do anything contrary to the Constitution. So why are you now denying that you did not deny? And so your seat is not empty, blah, blah, blah. We didn't do anything contrary to the Constitution. We have evidence that there is crisis in the PDP. We have every right under the Constitution to defect. So why are you now coming back? Dr. Tony Clinton Jaja is the Executive Director, Nigeria Law Society, NLS. It's the person that is telling us the story. Can you imagine? You see? Those people actually defected, and some people are there supporting them, saying what they did is right. Oh, Fubara is the wrong person. Fubara is the betrayer. Fubara is the this. Fubara is the that. Can you imagine? Tizel Barnabas says again, I have fear. Fire in Lagos, Armageddon in Rivers. Where else? The dawning of Nigerian democracy now. P-Bat now fought in the trenches should act facts as to salvage what remains. Please, shun sycophants. Eventually, Idiom says, after that verbal defection, did the Speaker and other register in their respective wards as APC members or resign from the PDP in their respective wards? Why are you asking that question? If anyone says the answer is yes, and with evidence tendered by PDP in court. That's all the affidavits that they saw that they are trying to hide, to pretend as if they did not really defect. Can you imagine? Marcus Daniel says, judiciary is a serious mistake to Nigerian democracy. I'm telling you, can you see how they scattered the whole thing and made everything go in their favor? This country, it is well with us. Smart Godwin says, I'm sorry for Nigeria. I will never believe in judiciary. We lack intelligent judges. I praise UK for being able to buy the Supreme Court judges. You are praising him for being able to buy them. It is well. Charles Omodibo says, I'm asking Fubara and your Attorney General, why did you not go to the Federal High Court from the outset instead of the State High Court, which lacks jurisdiction to entertain matters of defection and loss of seats for election of officials via 1999 Constitution as amended? No matter the court of law that they go to, all of them are the same thing. What was the point? Federal High Court, Supreme Court, appeal or whatever. Look at the ruling that Supreme Court gave. So, what was the difference? NS Kelly says, yes, they decided and have the right as well to defect, but they never defect, hence still holding PDP card and not being registered in APC. You see people still defending them. After this person came and said they waved flag, they said the reason they are defecting. Okay, even if they have not collected card, that word of mouth is not enough, Abi. That word of mouth that they gave that, the reason they are defecting is because there's crisis in their party, their photos and evidences, so their video evidences to that effect. And they even got to a point that they signed affidavit that they are no longer members of PDP. They've gone to APC. And yet people are still defending rubbish. Nigeria, it is there with us. It is well. Chris Ozeki says, I thought the defection of Amaewhule and the co-traveler should have been laid to rest by now. Even in blind man can see that they are no longer with PDP. Abi, even now that they are back there now, their mission is to come and probably impeach Fubara, still scatter the party because they will still go back. At the end of the day, you see that they will still go back to APC. And then Nigerians, I wonder what you'll be saying by that time, that when they defect, because they are still going to defect. I'm very, very sure of that. I'm very sure. Sam Harlicon says, let's agree that they truly defected to APC when the changing of party is a yardstick for losing a seat. Mr. Sam, is inside the constitution. It is a yardstick to lose your seat. It is there in the constitution. So if they are claiming that Fubara should obey the constitution, why are they not obeying it too? It is in that same constitution that says that if you leave your party without any tangible reason, you've lost your seat. So who is at fault here? Who? Wow, Abuluma Emmanuel says, what is important in this case is the conclusive action of defection by the 26th legislature. Did the 26th legislature officially withdraw their membership from the PDP and were officially taken on strength by APC? Make una they ask your questions there. Prosper also says, we don't have Supreme Court again, but the stupid court of evil justice. Now so Eki Adebola says, Nigeria judiciary are not for the interest of Nigerians. If not, at times the way giving judgments embarrass Nigeria, especially APC judiciary. But after Tinubu government, next president will rearrange judiciary system. Why are we so sure the next president is going to rearrange? My listeners, over to you. Leave your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to like, to share and subscribe. Thank you for listening. See you some other time. Bye.